Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio settings within the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 5 game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, go ahead and click on Options, which will then take you into the Options page. From here, just click on Audio. And now you will see the Master Volume option. You can simply swipe this slider to the left in order to decrease the master volume, which will lower the volume for all of the sounds within the game. You can also choose to turn on or off the music, and you may also change the audio languages as well as subtitles. You also have the option to turn on or turn off voice chat if you are playing online, and you can also change the volume level for the voice chat. There is also the option to change from push to talk or always on for your microphone for the voice communication options. After changing all of your desired settings, you can go back and start your game, and your audio options will be applied to the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio settings within the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.